Hello again. So here is the third presentation in regards to this final essay slash research project you will be doing. This is going to be about how you can get the most information with everything out there on the internet. This will be filled with hopefully some tips and some tricks as to how to get the most out of what you're looking for your topic. And even though you and I both know that you've written papers before, you understand how it goes, sometimes it's nice to get a little push in the right direction just so you know that, it won't suck. So, with researching your project, your first step, you already have your topic written down and you have your thesis statement crafted to perfection. If not, then you need to go back and rewatch the first presentation because you kind of need that stuff done in order to go along with the rest of this. So now, since you have those and you've even started your timeline, which is important to do so you can figure out, well, when do you want what done by? Now you get to begin the research part. So a little tip, this is something that I've always liked to do. I open up a blank Word document, or if you choose to use Google Docs, whatever, do what you want. And I have that at the ready for when I find information that I'm pretty sure I can use for whatever I'm working on. I save that document real quick so I can come back to it and label it something like Cites and Research, and then add my topic. Why do I do this? Because it makes life so much easier as I gather information and go to write the essay, to have everything right there so that I don't lose track of, well, what did I get from this website and what did I get from that website, and holy crap, like what was even the name of that one website? It's all right there. Then I like to go digging for the best websites and ebooks and texts online possible. So according to that double-sided paper you were given, you know that you have to have at least 4 sources. You should have more, but you need at least 4. And of those 4 sources, one needs to be a book. Ebooks, online books do count. And one needs to be a scholarly article. Follow along and I'll go through scholarly articles and all those other things. So you really can actually only have 2 websites, 2 links that you're going to use from Google that you want to use in your paper. And I'm not saying that you can't use Wikipedia as a source, but I'm saying that you're actually going to get more credibility from the links at the bottom of the Wikipedia page that you're on for your information. And if you want some more help with that, raise your hand, ask, and I will, myself or someone else will come around to show you exactly what I mean. So websites are easy. Ebooks and scholarly articles maybe not so much. So our Media Center's website has links that help you so much with this essay and other essays, and basically just gathering information in general. So our school website, www.lowercapebayregionalschooldistrict.com, lcmrschooldistrict.com. You're going to start at our school's homepage, click High School on the left side of the page, then click Media Center. That's going to be underneath high school then. And you're going to scroll down a little bit on the Media Center's web page. Now, some of the best links that I know work really well include Gale Opposing Viewpoints, GVRL, which as I understand it is the Gale Virtual Library, Main eBook Collection, and there are a slew of others. And anytime you need a password, it's Tiger. That should help you out there. Now, once you get to the page you're on from the Media Center's website, so once you've found Gale Virtual Library or ebooks or whatever, then all you're going to do is type in your topic once you're at that page. There's going to be a spot that you can, type in what you want to search for. Try going by only your topic, because then you're going to allow that database or website to look through tons of articles and books. It's not so tiny, it's not so singular. You're going to get more than just 1 or 2 things that pop up. And from there, you want to wade through a few of the things that come up and find which ones you really feel will help you with writing this essay. After that, if you wish to narrow down your search by doing your actual thesis statement, like part of it, then you can do that. And you will repeat that process as many times as you need to. And somewhere on that page, it should be able to tell you or even show you somewhere whether or not you've chosen a book, an ebook, a book, a journal article, a part of a book, etc. So you remember that blank document that I told you about earlier, the Word document, or if you want to choose a Google document, go for it. Bring that up and keep that somewhere you can see when you're researching the stuff you need. And as you find a website, an article, a journal, blog, book, whatever, add it to that page. And then whenever you get information from each particular site, article, ebook, or whatever, place it underneath its respective spot. This way you won't question where you got that slit of information. If you've got a sentence and you don't know whether or not you got it from like something on Google or whether or not it was something you read on Gale Virtual Library, having that paper there, seeing that, oh, I got it from Gale Virtual Library because you put it underneath that section. And again, same term, don't lose that paper. You're going to need it when you need to make those changes for where you got the information for your works cited page, since you know that it needs to be MLA formatted. And that seems to be it. If any of this was confusing for you, please raise your hand, ask a question. We will get through this together. Follow your timeline, and everything should work out hunky-dory.